What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of RedBite&Blue Outdoors. Today, I've been waiting on this for a while. I've always wanted to do this, so I'm excited it finally came in. I had said in the last videos that I made a big Tacklewarehouse order for almost $300, and this is it. Now, I got two things from Academy because they're cheaper at Academy, and then everything else is from Tacklewarehouse. So, I'll start off with the tackle box. We got just a Plano deep waterproof box, $10 at Academy. So these are going to be very helpful. And then I also got this at Academy, 25-pound monofilament trilene big game. So if you can already tell by the title and that line what I'm going to be throwing. So, and then I got t-shirt. Just, the promo, if you spend over $150, get a free shirt. So then I'll start off with the baits. I'll start off with the baits. Start off with these two. Got a River to Sea S-Waver in light trout. This is the 6 3/4 inch. It weighs 1 5/8 ounces. And then we got a 8-inch S-Waver in Party Crasher. This is 8 inches and weighs 3 3/8 ounce. These, I've heard tons of good things about these S-Wavers, so I'm really excited to throw them. And then I have always wanted one of these ever since Bama Bass came out with that video like 4 years ago of him catching 10s on it. But this is the Matt Lures. I think this is in Baby Gill. TW Baby Gill. And this is the boot tail version in 5-inch. And it weighs, let's see how much it weighs. It does not say. I think it's like 2 ounces, maybe a little more. I'm not sure. And got two of these. This is the Savage Gear 3D Trout in the 8-inch version. Both of these are. This is in Hitch to imitate those shad real nice, like, because some of the only one of the lakes around here has trout in it. And then we got the dark trout version too. This color looks really nice. I've heard really good reviews on this, and I think it's just a cheaper version of the Huddleston, basically, is what I've heard. So really excited to throw those. And then, I had to get a new rod and reel for all these baits, so starting off with the reel, it's a Daiwa Millionaire Classic. It's the 250 version. So let's open this up. Got your instructions. Let's pull it out. See if it'll come out. Alright, there we go. Super smooth. Super nice. I've always wanted one of these round reels just for the power of it. And the handles are like the rubber with the lines in them for the grip, kind of like those you can buy the reel covers. That's what these are, basically, and they're really nice. I'll have a review coming up over this sometime. I'm not sure. Once I put it on the water and throw all these big baits and catch a couple fish, then I'll come out with a review of this, because there's not many videos about this reel on YouTube. So for the sake of the video, the rod, I already unboxed it because we know how long it takes to get a rod out of the rod tube from Tacklewarehouse because they package it so good. So this is the 13 Fishing Defy. It was $80 and it's 8 foot long and heavy action. It's rated for 4 to 8 ounces. This thing is a freaking beef stick. It's awesome. It's really light for the how long it is. I'd say it's almost like my 7.3, 7.4 heavies. It's almost that light. It's super nice. And most of your swim bait combos are around the $300 range for just the rod and reel. I got this setup, the rod and the reel, for $160. So $80 reel, $80 rod. super, super nice. I'm beyond stoked to have all this stuff here, and I'm ready to throw it. Probably gonna go out to my local lake sometime and throw these big trout swim baits, see if anything will bite it. So, thanks for watching, guys. This was a quick little unboxing. Super excited about getting to the swim bait game. So please like, comment, subscribe, and drop a comment down below if there's any other videos that you guys want to see, or if you want to see reviews or how-tos on any of this stuff in this video. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell notification. I'll catch y'all in the next one.